Hi, my name is Devin and welcome to Fundaco and TrueShape video tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to activate STL Export and you will learn how to export STL files from your Trios software. So first, we need to create a folder and we will name this as your STL Export folder. Inside the folder, you need to have another two folders and we will name this as incoming and the other folder as outgoing. Once you created the folder, we can now open the Trio software. At the moment, I don't have any users, so I will go and click default operator to activate my STL export. So this is some settings of the language, so I will click later. So once we are in already, we then go and click configure. Under the configure, I will click lab connections and then I will click add new direct connect lab. So under the direct connect lab, I will name my lab as STL Export. And folder path, I will then look for my folder, which is the STL Export under the desktop, and click OK. And I will click test settings. Test settings will tell you if your settings are correct. So now you can see the reconnect settings are correct. So I'll click OK. Then OK. Then under your lab connections, then you will see STL export. So that's how you activate your STL export. And the next video, I will show you how to export scans as a STL. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Bye. Hi, my name is Devin and in this video I will teach you how to export your scans into STL files. As you can see here, I've created my STL export folder. So every scans that I want to export as an STL file, it will go into this folder. So now let's open the Trios software. For this demonstration, I've created a sample case already for you to see how to export STL files. So now the case that I've created is here. So first, we have to go to the order form. So we have to make sure that before we scan, we have to choose the right lab. So for this case, we are going to choose STL export and then choose the right indication. So now once you fill up the form, we can now go to the next step. So this is your scanning page. So you have to scan your lower, upper, and the byte. Once you're okay, then we can now go to the next step, which is the validation step. And once your clearance, your margin are okay, now we can proceed to the next step, which is to export these scans into STL files. As you can see here, this is your order form. This is the indication. And these are your scans. Below here, you will see Trios Scan Export STL. So we just need to click this. And now the files will be exported into this folder. So once I click OK, the software will process the scans and export them. After that, you will receive a notification that your order was successfully sent. So now we can close now the software. And open your STL Export folder. And this is the scans that, no, I'm sorry, this is the one that we just exported. So these are the STL files. If I right click and click properties, I will see the STL. So that's how you export STL files from your trios. And thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.